So here we are, St. Augustine. We still have to do a recap video from our trip, but we're all hunkered down waiting for Tropical Storm Norma, Hurricane Norma, to come through. Today's, is today Wednesday? Yeah, today's Wednesday, November 8th. But I wanted to give you a look. We're out on the ICW on a fate. This is the marina inside, and we're still 2 hours from high tide, hour and a half from high tide. So this is the little lagoon part, and you can see, of course, we happen to be on a full moon, high tide, with the storm surge coming in, and it's just about to take over this road area. So we'll go out here to the long pier, show you that. All right, this is out where we're docked, and you can see the water's about up to the road again on this side. But if you look ahead, you'll see the waves. We're clocking about 35 knot winds right now. Waves are about to take over this pier. And there's been no ICW traffic in the last day. Everybody's kind of hunkered down. These are all just wind-driven waves right here. Come on. I think I just saw a manatee stick its head out. Here's our boat. We got all of our storm lines out. See, the waves are already coming over the pier a little bit. So we're going to do a recap video of our trip, get that posted. See y'all soon.